Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to move your entire house in Heartopia. Okay, we're going to use the blueprint feature, guys. So make sure that you have already unlocked the blueprint feature. If I'm not mistaken, you can unlock it after you reach level 7 in your DG member level. Then you're going to open up the blueprint and try to save your current blueprint. You're going to click on import on the empty blueprint and select the current home and select import, and you're going to name your blueprint. I'm going to name it home. Oops. Sorry. Just name it home. I'm gonna name it home 12. Okay. And then I'm going to click on confirm import. Okay. And then we're going to apply the blueprint. Click on view. And then you're going to click on apply blueprint. And here you'll be able to move your entire house. Just move it anywhere that you like. And for this plot, I haven't unlocked it yet, so I can only move the house like this. You can also rotate it if you want, but I still need to unlock more plot. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this, and once you're done, you can click on confirm, but I'm not gonna do that, so I'm gonna click on cancel. Okay guys, and that's how you can move your entire house in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!